Guys, it's your girl Arnisha Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a tutorial on how to install crochet passion twists. So the passion twist I got is the twist from Janet collection, a part of their NalaTress collection. I picked these twists up from my local beauty supply store for $9.99 per pack. I purchased 7 packs, which came up to $74, but I only used 5 packs and 3 strands of twists out of the 6-pack. So right here, I'm just showing you my braid pattern. My mom braided my hair because I don't know how to cornrow. So the braid pattern that I'm using is the same one that BeautyCanBraid created. So we just did that. And right here, I'm showing you all the strands of twists. In each pack, there's 15 strands of crochet twists. Okay, so I'm going to slow down the recording for you all right here. So when you're installing your crochet twist, what you need to do is put the crochet needle down under your braid or in your braid, however you want to do it. But make sure the latch is closed. And then once you have the crochet needle through your hair, you're going to open the latch, put the strand over the crochet needle, close the latch, and then pull the twist under or through your braid, and then you open up the loop part of the twist and pull the remaining length of the twist through. I hope that made sense, guys. And then you're just going to repeat that over and over and over and over again until you're done. Okay, guys, this is the finished look of my crochet passion twists. They came out super duper 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 cute. I forgot to mention that I got the twist in 24 inches and in a 1B. These twists also come in 18 inches. So if people don't want the longest length of the crochet twist, you could definitely get a shorter length. And the twists come down to my butt and below my boobs. So they're pretty long. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Peace.